Hey, hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you MS Excel hack through which you will be able to do your work more easily. Because in this hack, we are going to tell you how to use the shortcuts of MS Excel without even using the mouse. So let's get started. Initially, what you have to do, you have to press Alt key on your keyboard. After pressing the Alt, you will see following options at the taskbar. Uh, Sorry, yeah, that on home tab you will be able to see H, on insert tab N, page layout P. So for instance, if we go on the home tabs ribbon is this area, the whole where all the groups has been there, the group of fonts, alignment, numbers. So for instance, we want to go on home tabs ribbon, we will press H. So after pressing H, you will be able to see that we have a lot of other alphabets which has came, and now we can use the function after pressing the following alphabets. For instance, we want to delete the ninth row. Okay, so for deleting the ninth row, we will go on delete. For that, we will press D, and after pressing D, we have three options to delete cells: delete sheet rows, delete sheet columns, and delete sheet. And for that we have different alphabets, and now we have to delete the cells, so we will press D, and after pressing D a pop-up will appear like it has been appeared in our video, and now we have to delete the entire row. So for deleting the entire row, we will go on entire row and we will press enter. Now you will be able to see that how the existing ninth row has been changed with a new ninth row. So that is how we can use these shortcuts. After pressing the Alt, we will have several options, and why with using the alphabets and numbers, will we use the functions of Excel without using the mouse. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much.